exploring the different types of furnace filters and their significance. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment, the efficiency of your HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, plays a crucial role. Among the various components of an HVAC system, furnace filters stand out as essential elements that not only contribute to the system's performance, but also play a significant role in indoor air quality. In this video, we will dive into the different types of furnace filters and their significance in ensuring a well-functioning and healthy home environment. Our first contender is the fiberglass disposable filter. This is the most common and cost-effective type of furnace filter in the market. It's designed to trap large dust and lint particles, providing a basic level of filtration. However, its capacity is limited. It's unable to filter out smaller particles like pollen or dust mites, making it less effective for those with allergies or respiratory issues. Next on the list is the pleated disposable filter. A step up from the fiberglass variant, these filters have a larger surface area due to their pleated design. This means they can trap smaller particles including dust mites, pollen, and even mold spores. The downside? They require more frequent replacement, usually every 3 months, compared to the 6 months for fiberglass filters. Then we have the washable furnace filters. These are reusable and environmentally friendly as they reduce waste. They're also capable of trapping smaller particles, similar to the pleated filters. The catch, however, is they require regular cleaning to maintain their efficiency, which can be a bit of a chore. Last but definitely not least, we have the high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters. These type of furnace filters trap up to 99.9% of air particles as small as 0.3 microns. Perfect for those with severe allergies or respiratory conditions. But this high efficiency comes with a higher price tag and may require professional installation. To sum up, furnace filters are indispensable for maintaining air quality and the health of our heating systems. The fiberglass filters are the most cost-effective, but they offer basic filtration. Pleated filters provide better filtration, but require frequent replacement. Washable filters are eco-friendly and reusable, but need regular cleaning. And finally, the HEPA filters offer the highest level of filtration, but come with a heftier price tag. In the end, the choice of a furnace filter depends on your specific needs, whether they be budget constraints, health concerns, or environmental considerations. So the next time you're shopping for a furnace filter, consider above factors, and for professional assistance, call phone 416-424-4328 or go to www.medinamechanical.com. Thanks.